In this video, I'll guide you through how to export Evernote to Google Drive. We'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so by the end you'll know exactly how to move your notes out of Evernote and safely store them in Google Drive as PDF files. Let's start in your web browser. First, open the Evernote website and sign into your account if you aren't already. Make sure you're using the web version of Evernote, not the desktop app, so that your screen looks similar to what I'm describing. Once you're in, you should see your notes and notebooks listed on the main page. Next, decide what you want to export. You can export individual notes or entire notebooks. If you want just a few notes, click on each note you want to include. On many browsers, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac to select multiple notes one by one. If you want to export everything in a notebook, open that notebook first so only those notes appear. Taking a moment here to choose the right notes will save you time later. Once you've selected your notes or notebooks, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with three dots, often called the More Options or Three Options menu. Click on that. This menu is where Evernote keeps a lot of extra actions that don't fit on the main toolbar. From that menu, choose the print option. This might feel a bit unusual because we're not actually going to print anything on paper, but this is how we'll turn your notes into a PDF file. When you click print, your browser's print window should pop up. Instead of sending your notes to a printer, look for the option that lets you change the destination or printer. Select Save as PDF or a similar option. Different browsers may word this slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You're saving the print output as a PDF file. Now save the export file as a PDF to your computer. Choose a folder where you can easily find it again, such as your desktop or a dedicated documents folder. It's a good idea to give the file a clear name like Evernote Notes Export, along with the date, so you'll recognize it later in Google Drive. Once the file is saved, it's time to move over to Google Drive. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the Google Drive website. Sign into the Google account where you want to store your notes. After you're logged in, you'll see your drive with all your folders and files. In the top left corner, click on the button labeled New. A small menu will drop down. From this menu, choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive you want to bring in a file from your computer. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your Evernote PDF export earlier. Click on that PDF file, then click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the file, and you'll see a small progress box in the bottom corner of the screen. When the upload is finished, your exported Evernote notes will appear in your drive. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Evernote content as a PDF and uploaded it to Google Drive, where it's backed up, easy to share, and accessible from any device with your Google account.